Do you have any questions so far?
Nope.
All right. Before we look at the site, I'd like to ask you a quick question. Roughly how many hours a week altogether, ballpark estimate, would you say you spend using the internet?
30 maybe? I don't know. That's a lot, I feel like, but...
Schoolwork and stuff, so like...
Yeah, I guess.
All right, let's see. What kind of sites are you looking at when you browse the web?
School-related sites, HBO, Netflix, Reddit.
Do you have any favorite websites?
I go on Reddit a lot, HBO, Netflix.
Okay, great. We're done with the questions and we can start looking at things. Will you type in Vermont.com?
Sure.
And click on that link. Cool. So first I'm going to ask you to look at this page and tell me what you make of it, what strikes you about it, whose site you think it is, what you can do here, and what it's for. Just look around and do a little narrative. You can scroll if you want to, but don't click on anything.
I mean, it's obviously a website for Vermont. It is a bit cluttered. There's a lot of stuff going on. It'd be nice if there was, like, less, if it was more simple. Other than that, I like it, though. It's nice.
Okay. So now I'm going to ask you to try to do some specific tasks. I'm going to read each one out loud and give you a printed copy. I'm also going to ask you to do these tasks without using search. We'll learn a lot more about how well the site works that way. And again, as much as possible, help us if you can try to think out loud as you go along. Okay, so task 1, it's a rainy day, so you and your friends want to see a movie, find a theater in the Burlington area.
Okay.
Go for it.
I would assume it would be in activities and attractions. Burlington shopping guide? Boom. Village pictures show. Oh, that's not in Burlington. Never mind.
Yeah, it's like it should be like you're looking for a total list of all like the movie theaters and times.
Oh, really? Okay.
Yeah.
Calendar events. No clue.
Yeah. Okay. That's definitely the toughest one. Okay. Our second task is find a link to Vermont.com social media pages.
Okay. Vermont info. No, Vermont.com. There you go.
Okay. All right. Please go back to the home page. For the third task, you just arrived at Burlington Airport after a long 16-hour flight. You don't have an Uber account or any other way of getting to your hotel, so you need to order a taxi. Find the number for New England Taxi. Yep.
There you go. New England Taxi.
Okay, so go back to it again. And in case you want to get in touch with Vermont.com for any reasons, questions, or comments, you'll need some form of communication, such as a phone number, email address. Find a page containing either of these communication devices.
It's probably in the same one that this one. Yep, there you go.
Yep. All right. Cool.
Bang bang.
Now let's go back to the home page.
Sure.
And now make your screen smaller. Just make it a little bigger.
All right.
Yeah. So, what do you think could be done to improve? Because the
Well, this big white box is like kind of overpowering everything.
yeah.
You could like put all this stuff at like the side as like a sidebar
Mm-hmm.
that you could like pull out or
Yeah.
it was there immediately.
Yeah.
So I don't know, you know.
Yeah. Okay. Cool. Thank you. That was very helpful. Do you have any questions for me now that we're done?
Nope. I do not have any questions.